Very good evening. Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain and I would like to explain the organization behavior, nature of organization behavior. So, what is the nature of the organization behavior? The organization behavior is applied interdisciplinary field that studies how the individual, group, or a structure behave within the organization to improve the organization effectively. So its nature includes being it's a humanistic, optimistic, or using a systematic contingency approaches to understand and predict the human behavior in the workplace rather than offering the one size fit to all the solution. Like we cannot give the solution for all the problems. So the OB integrates the knowledge for psychology, sociology, and for a practical insights for managing the human resources and addressing the organizational challenges. So, there are some key aspects in the nature of the organization behavior that we are going to see now. We'll see the why the organization behavior plays a very vital role. So here, the key aspects of the organization behavior, it is interdisciplinary, applied science and arts. So interdisciplinary in the sense, OB draws a concepts, theories and tools from various disciplines like psychology, sociology, economics, political science, and provides a holistic understanding of the human behavior in the organization. So when we take any organization, when there is n number of people work in the particular organization, their opinion differs, where their understanding may differs. So to have all over the control, so it explains how to control a behavior of the each and every individual. Applied science and the arts, it is a practical field that applies scientific research and knowledge to solve real world organizational problems, making in both sides based on the systematic study as well as the arts involving the application for the knowledge. So we can also say that it's a humanistic optimistics. So OB emphasizes human aspects of the work behaving and in the people needs and motivations, and they have to know the viewpoints that focuses on employee well-being and positive work environment. So systematic and scientific approach is possible in the organization behavior. OB emphasizes systematic approach based on the scientific evidences to study the behavior analysis, relationship, and identify the causes and effects. So focus on the behavior. It specifically focus on human behavior at an individual, group, and organizational level, analyzing how these behaviors influences the organization effectively. Then we can say it is a contingency approach. OB recognizes that there is no single best way to manage or motivate people. The best approaches depends on the specific situations, task, and organizational environment. So, since organizations are made up of the people, OB is relevant to every aspects of the organizations. So we can say that's a normative science. So OB is considered as a normative science because it prescribes how findings can be applied to achieve a organization goal and social expectations. So apart from this, we can understand what are its important role in the organization. So it studies in a group, individual, and entire organizations. By understanding OB, organization enhance productivity, emphasizes satisfaction, overall effectiveness. The key areas of focus includes the motivation, job satisfaction, and organizational commitment, and employee well-being on the OB from psychology, sociology, management theories, and provides a insight into the why people behave as they do in the organization and how these behaviors can be managed and improved for the benefit and best for the both individual as well as the organization. So where we can understand why the organization behavior plays a very vital role. So it is focused on their elements are focusing on the people, technology, structure, and the social system. It is a bond between all these four aspects, that is, the four elements. So by this we can understand what is the organization behavior and their structure and the elements which is related to the OP. Thank you.